So I just finished doing my makeup and I got this mascara. It's called To Discara and it is a green mascara. So I decided I would try it here for you guys. That's green. How am I gonna feel about this being on all day? I don't know. Oh. Alright, actually it kind of looks cool. I was just reading about it and this is vegan. It's called Green Aura and it represents the heart chakra, it says, which I didn't know they were connecting that, so I thought that was cool. The wand is actually really nice and separates lashes, which I love. It says that it's 99% like toxin free and that the wand and bottle were made from 100% recyclable materials from ocean waste. So overall, it's pretty cool. I believe, let's see what colors they do have black. So I am loving the brand and it's kind of cool. What do you guys think? Green mascara?